Hey guys, so I just received this gooseneck phone mount. I'm gonna unbox that. So here is a nice little box, gooseneck phone holder. I'm gonna open that up. Alright, so it comes up with just that, nothing else. Let's get that thing out of our way. It has happy not happy, the reader. Whether you want to use it or not is up to you, but I think I'm pretty happy. It looks like I don't have any complaints so far. So this is how it looks like. It has like a small little user manual. I don't think I will need to use it. So this is a gooseneck, right? So it gives you a lot more flexibility to if you want to watch a movie from your bed. There is a small little mount that you can clamp to the table. So just slightly I'm opening up very gently. I don't want to all right, so this is how it looks. It's flexible. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mount it to my table, and I'll show you how it looks later on. But this is how you can adjust the height, and I think it goes up to 2.36 inches, so you do get enough of width. And so the idea is that you insert this on the edge of the table, and then you just, for tightening up, you just push it down. Like you rotate this clockwise, is gonna tighten the grip, and to loosen the grip you're gonna rotate it anti-clockwise. So this is where you're gonna clamp it, assuming that this is your table thing, table edge. So let me do that. So I clamped it, and I'll show you how it looks in a minute. But I have clamped it here. I have my daughter's phone. And you can actually tighten or loosen it up. So the way to put your iPhone or smartphone is like that, right? It's going to hold it, and then the idea is that you can move this gooseneck the way you want it. And I can go up, and then I can go down. I'm just gonna adjust the thing. So it's pretty versatile, right? So if you are on the computer, and if you take the phone, if you receive like an incoming call, you can just press the button rather than picking up the phone and then attaching to your ears. So it's pretty nice. And the way you clamp it, let me just show you how I done it. So this is where I have clamped it, and if I want to loosen it up, I just move it. So basically this is how it looks. Nice little utility. I'm already loving it. So signing off for now. Talk to you later. Take care.